Build or burn. Today, Hassan and I are going to be building a black pearl pirate ship. But if we're not able to do it within 90 minutes, Jake is gonna make us eat progressively hotter things. Everything from scorpion pepper pistachios to the world's hottest pepper, the Carolina Reaper. Are we gonna sink or are we gonna swim? We'll find out.
The very first challenge for you guys is you have 10 minutes. So your first 10 of your 90 is going to be looking for your supplies. So you're looking for a boat. The bottom of the boat has 4 large pieces. So that is one thing you're looking for. You're looking for your base. You're also looking for the decals or the stickers, which are a small packet. You're looking for your sails, which are another small packet. There is 12 total pieces. You also need to find the instructions. The instructions are broken into 5 pieces. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. All these items are hidden around the studio. I'm gonna hit go. You have your first 10 minutes in which you are gonna walk around and you're gonna look for everything in the studio. If you don't find them in 10 minutes, you have to eat blue heat Takis.
All right, Hassan, I suggest you start on this side.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start on this side. I found something. It looks like that's step number 3. Oh, the decals are in here. Found decals? Oh, found a base.
What else are we looking
My
for?
sense is there's other base pieces that we're missing. Dude, I do not want to eat those Takis.
Dude, me neither. They look like poison.
Oh, here we go. Fun, guys. So base pieces and more instructions. I have to say, Hassan, a lot of these were on your side, but that's okay. That's okay, dude.
I didn't have enough coffee.
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We'll get it. We'll get it.
I mean, did you find anything in this tree?
No, I didn't. Here, let me help you.
There's gotta be something in this tree.
Oh. Wow.
That's what was in the tree.
Okay, so that's number 2. No, there's one more base piece somewhere.
4.
4!
What?
So let's check in. It looks to me you have 2 pieces of base.
We have 2 pieces of base. We have decals, characters.
And you have what, 3 sets of directions?
Set number 4, set number 3, and set number 1. So
that means you did not make your first 10-minute goal. So we're gonna start off by eating some blue heat Takis. Why don't you all buckle up?
Okay. So we only have to eat one of them, right?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, bismillah. No, that's good. This is hardly a punishment. Jake said that it gets progressively hotter. I think it will get hotter. I will say this though, Hassan, it doesn't bode well that we lost the first challenge already.
You're lucky because you found section 1. So let me give you your pieces for section 1. You have 10 minutes to complete section 1. And if you don't complete it, you will be eating scorpion pepper pistachio.
Oh, here we go. Here's number 5. There's something in here. Oh, this is sails.
You got one.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so this is number 2. So I got number 1, number 2, number 3, Oh, we got number 4 too. So we got all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to find more.
This piece and this piece.
Okay. I don't know that there's anything behind here. Oh, there is. Oh, very good.
Thank you.
Wow.
So now just the middle base piece.
Just a reminder, if you don't complete section 1, you will be eating scorpion pepper pistachios.
Oh. Gosh. All right. Hassan, we found everything.
All right, well, one piece went in the wrong situation, and
Actually, I got this for you. Is it can you remove pieces?
yeah,
Here, I got a tool. You can grab a screwdriver.
this is a tool to remove pieces.
Yeah. Piece is done.
Yeah.
The good news is you guys are working together great as a team. Great start. Bad news is you did not meet your goals, which means this round you will be eating scorpion pepper pistachios.
Oh my goodness. Hassan, how did the last round go for you?
It went well. Two things happened. One, building was very slow until we had the base pieces because you're kind of thinking about how can I build this, skip these steps in a way.
So just so you are all aware, those have 80,000 Scoville units, the scorpion pepper does.
Oh wow, so this is way more than Takis.
The thing is we're not eating a scorpion pepper. There's scorpion pepper flavored
It
pistachios.
smells like some extra hot Dave's hot chicken. I know it'll start building. It's one of those you can tell.
At first I was like, oh, this is nothing.
Nothing.
But you can taste it afterwards.
Yeah, it's starting to build.
And it's like deep in your throat.
And there's a scorpion in there.
I feel it in my tongue. How do you feel?
That's hot.
It is hot. We succeed and we fail as a team, as human beings. That was spicy. For me, it's gone at this point. You feeling good?
Yeah, I'm ready to have another time.
Okay, for the next 10 minutes, if anyone touches the cow, they have to take a 5-minute break.
Oh my
You have
goodness.
10 minutes to build. If you touch the cow, 5-minute break. So I have a camera here and I'm gonna be floating around watching.
There is a contradiction in these directions.
I'm missing one piece.
And that's time. So for this next 10 minutes, you each are gonna have your own role. One of you is gonna be the instructions and one of you is gonna be the builder.
I think because I have more experience with Lego, I should tell you where to put the pieces and you should put them. What do you think?
Yep.
And now that red piece will go right on,
Okay.
just like this was.
Even or a little bit further?
Even.
Okay, just like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's perfect. They go over the cannons. Oh, that's
right,
awesome. So
that's
cool.
right.
Okay. I would say we can do stickers later too, Hassan.
Look at them later.
Yeah, I would say just let's focus on the
Alright.
neck.
Long piece will go back here. Next one right behind it.
Time. So for the next 10 minutes, we're gonna wear masks.
All right, Bismillah. I'm ready.
Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm moving faster. Thing is, finding small pieces while you have the mask on
Really limits your
Yeah,
peripheral
it's
vision.
actually tough.
I've never appreciated my peripheral vision so much.
Oh, it feels good to breathe again.
Okay, so you have 40 minutes remaining. For the next 10 minutes, you are going to be handcuffed together. If you do not complete step 3 in the next 10 minutes, you need to eat a Carolina Reaper almond.
I think we go this way.
Uh-huh.
I think we do a situation where we did it like before, where I build and you tell me what to do.
So it comes in a little bit.
Oh, okay, that's so weird.
Yeah, very weird.
Very fascinating. Okay,
Very good. Nice.
okay. So fill that out. 25. Okay, so wow.
Carolina Reaper seasoning. I'll let you guys take a look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Nothing special.
Yeah, the other one was spicier.
I don't think the average person should eat Carolina Reaper anything.
So for the next 10 minutes, you can build straight out.
Oh yeah.
After that, it's going to be 10 minutes by only candlelight, and then your final 10 minutes. Again, if you do not complete the whole boat in 90 minutes, you have to eat the Carolina Reaper.
Okay.
Contestants, you have 5 minutes remaining.
Bro, what?
How is that possible?
Yeah, we
I don't-
just started the. He's changing the minutes, right?
He's changing it. I think so.
But I mean,
It's the only way to explain it.
For the next 10 minutes, you will have only one light source.
Dude, this is actually tough. This is actually tough.
it's getting tough. He keeps turning more
Dude,
lights off.
relax, relax. Come on, Jacob. Jacob? क्या कर रहे हो आप, Jacob?
Right up in the middle, yeah. I mean, you wrote the president one.
I did. No, I didn't write him an email. What are you talking about?
And as a reminder, if you do not complete your pirate ship in its entirety, you will be eating the world's hottest pepper,
And if we do,
the Carolina Reaper.
you will be eating.
Oh no. Allahu Akbar.
If we had
So
one more
close.
minute, we would have done it.
So close. Oh my goodness. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. The lesson was, in life, we win or we lose as a team. And that is real. And that's why, as Muslims, we have to engage in Amr bil ma'ruf wa nahy anil munkar. In joining in good and forbidding in evil. That means whenever we see other people doing good, we join in. We tell people to do good. But if we see people making a mistake, putting a hole in the boat, it's our job to help them because we all lose together. So, because we didn't win, we now have to eat a Carolina Reaper. A jalapeno is 5,000 Scoville units. Okay, a regular jalapeno is 5,000. This bad boy right here, 2.2 million. 2.2 million. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna split this in half. I am scared to do this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have a feeling in my stomach that is like uncomfortable, and I'm worried, and I've never been so worried because the Carolina Reaper is not something to mess around with. You're not scared? Okay.
For sure I'm scared, but I think we should do it.
All right, let's move. How are you doing, Hassan? Take some milk, dude. Take some milk. Go for it. Those are real tears. Real tears. No, go for it, Hassan. You go first. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. But it's subsiding. It's in the back of my throat. Hassan, please. Go first.
You're my elder.
You're my younger one. Come on, dude. Don't do this. I'm actually crying. It should be a lesson, honestly. In joining good, forbid evil. Because if we don't, we all hurt. That was painful, but I know you guys enjoyed it. And you didn't just enjoy watching me, you enjoyed Hassan. If you're wondering what the space is where we're running around, this is the Muslim Treehouse, where every single week we bring together thousands of kids from all across the world to learn about our faith and build a stronger relationship with it. Best part, it's fun. I can't wait for you and your family to join us soon at noorkids.com/treehouse.